There is a product in most bathrooms right now that restores oxidized headlights to factory clarity, removes light scratches from car paint, polishes chrome trim to a mirror finish, and cleans water spots from glass. And that detailing shops charge $50 to $150 to do with a professional-grade compound that works through the same mechanism. The product is toothpaste. White, non-gel, non-whitening toothpaste. The kind that costs $2 at any grocery store. The automotive detailing market in the United States generates approximately $15 billion per year. The products in the car care aisle, Magyar's, Turtle Wax, Mother's, Chemical Guys, represent a significant portion of that revenue at the retail level, with professional detailing services adding several billion more. The compounds these products use to remove scratches, oxidation, and surface defects work through a mechanism that has been understood in industrial finishing for over a century. That mechanism is controlled abrasion, and the abrasive in the majority of car polishing compounds is functionally identical in particle size, hardness, and polishing action to the abrasive in standard white toothpaste. This is not a coincidence, it is chemistry. To understand why toothpaste polishes car surfaces, you need to understand what polishing actually does at the microscopic level and what the surfaces being polished are made of. Car paint is not a single layer. It is a stack of coatings applied during manufacturing. A primer layer for adhesion and corrosion resistance, a base coat that provides the color, and a clear coat, a transparent protective layer of hardened polymer resin applied over the color to protect it from UV radiation, chemical exposure, and mechanical abrasion. The clear coat is typically 25 to 75 micrometers thick. It is the layer that polishing compounds work on. When a car develops surface scratches, swirl marks, or oxidation haze, the damage is in the clear coat, not in the color layer beneath it. Light scratches are microscopic grooves in the clear coat surface that scatter light rather than reflecting it uniformly, producing the dull, hazy appearance that makes paint look aged and damaged. Deeper scratches that penetrate through the clear coat into the base coat are a different problem requiring different treatment, but the vast majority of surface defects that make paint look poor are confined to the clear coat and are addressable by polishing. Polishing works by removing a microscopic layer of the clear coat surface using controlled abrasion. The abrasive particles in a polish are carefully sized to cut through the damaged surface layer without creating new scratches visible to the naked eye. When the damaged surface layer is removed, the undamaged clear coat beneath it is revealed, smooth, reflective, and looking like new. The key variable in this process is the size and hardness of the abrasive particles. Particles that are too large or too hard create new scratches. Particles that are the right size and hardness remove the damaged layer smoothly and leave a polished surface. This is where toothpaste enters the picture, because the abrasive that polishes your teeth operates at exactly the right scale for polishing automotive clear coat and plastics. Toothpaste abrasives, the compounds responsible for the mechanical cleaning and polishing action on tooth enamel, include hydrated silica, calcium carbonate, and sodium bicarbonate in various formulations. These abrasives are sized to be gentle enough not to damage tooth enamel over years of daily use, while being hard enough to remove surface staining and plaque. The Mohs hardness of tooth enamel is approximately 5. The abrasives in toothpaste are calibrated to be effective against enamel without causing progressive damage, typically in the range of 3 to 4 on the Mohs scale for the finer formulations. Automotive clear coat has a Mohs hardness of approximately 2 to 3. It is softer than tooth enamel. The abrasives in toothpaste that are gentle enough not to damage tooth enamel are, from a material science perspective, appropriate in hardness for polishing automotive clear coat. The particle size of toothpaste abrasives falls in the range of 1 to 20 microns for most formulations, comparable to a medium-cut automotive polish. This is the range that removes fine scratches and oxidation from clear coat and polishes the surface to a smooth, reflective finish. A study comparing the polishing effect of various household substances on polycarbonate, the material automotive headlight lenses are made of, found that standard white toothpaste produced results comparable to dedicated headlight restoration compounds. The surface roughness measurements before and after treatment showed that toothpaste reduced surface irregularities to a degree comparable to commercial polishing compounds at a fraction of the material cost. Headlight restoration is the application where the toothpaste advantage is most dramatic and most economically significant. Automotive headlight lenses are made of polycarbonate plastic rather than glass in virtually all vehicles manufactured since the 1980s. Polycarbonate is lighter and more impact-resistant than glass, but it is softer and more susceptible to surface oxidation and UV degradation over time. The UV coating applied to polycarbonate headlight lenses at the factory degrades with prolonged sun exposure, typically beginning to show visible yellowing and hazing within 5 to 10 years of manufacture. Once the UV coating fails, the polycarbonate beneath oxidizes rapidly, developing the foggy, yellowed appearance that characterizes aged headlights, a condition that reduces light output by 50% or more and creates a genuine safety concern in addition to the cosmetic impact. Professional headlight restoration services at detailing shops charge between $50 and $150 per pair. The process involves progressively sanding the oxidized surface with wet sandpaper, then polishing with a compound and optionally applying a UV sealant to protect the restored surface. The materials used in this process cost under $5. The labor charge represents the markup for the shop's equipment, overhead, and margin. Toothpaste applied to a yellowed headlight lens with a damp cloth using circular motions produces measurable restoration of clarity in 10 to 15 minutes. The abrasive in the toothpaste removes the oxidized surface layer of polycarbonate in the same way that a polishing compound does, by mechanically abrading away the degraded material and revealing the clearer polycarbonate beneath. The result is not identical to a full professional restoration involving wet sanding. Toothpaste does not remove heavy oxidation as thoroughly as progressive sandpaper grits followed by compound polishing. But for headlights with light to moderate oxidation, toothpaste produces results that are 80 to 90% of what a $50 professional service delivers at a material cost of pennies. Following the toothpaste treatment with a UV sealant, available for $5 to $10 at any auto parts store, protects the restored surface and significantly extends the time before reoxidation occurs. For paint correction, removing light scratches and swirl marks from automotive clear coat. Toothpaste is effective on fine surface defects and produces results comparable to light-cut polishing compounds. The technique is straightforward. Apply a small amount of white toothpaste to a clean microfiber cloth. Work it into the scratched area using circular motions with moderate pressure, continuing for 30 seconds to a minute. Wipe away the residue with a clean section of the cloth. Assess the result. Fine swirl marks and light scratches caused by improper washing technique, the circular marks visible in direct sunlight that make paint look dull, respond well to this treatment. The toothpaste abrasive removes the outermost microns of clear coat where the scratches are located and reveals the undamaged surface beneath. Deeper scratches that catch your fingernail when you run it across them have penetrated through the clear coat into the base coat. These require more aggressive cutting compounds or professional repair and are beyond what toothpaste can address. But the surface-level defects that make paint look less than showroom condition, despite being structurally intact, are exactly in the range where toothpaste is appropriate. The same technique works on chrome trim, polished aluminum, and stainless steel surfaces. Any hard polished surface where light surface oxidation or fine scratches have reduced reflectivity. The toothpaste abrasive polishes these surfaces to a mirror finish in the same way it polishes paint. Water spots on glass, the mineral deposits left by hard water evaporating on windows and mirrors, are another application where toothpaste's mild acid content assists the polishing action. Toothpaste contains mild acids, typically citric acid or phosphoric acid, in addition to abrasives. These acids dissolve the calcium and magnesium deposits that form water spots on glass, while the abrasive simultaneously polishes the glass surface. The combination of chemical dissolution and mechanical polishing produces clean, spot-free glass. Applied to a water-spotted windshield or window with a damp cloth, toothpaste removes the mineral deposits and leaves the glass clean and streak-free. This application is particularly effective on the interior windshield film discussed in the context of window cleaning. The combination of mild acid and abrasive addresses the film more aggressively than vinegar alone. Now let's talk about why a $2 tube of toothpaste is not displayed next to the Meguiar's polish in the car care aisle, with a sign explaining that it does the same job. Meguiar's, the market leader in consumer car care products, is owned by 3M, a company with annual revenues exceeding $30 billion. The car care product line generates hundreds of millions in revenue annually. The compounds, polishes, and detailing sprays are sold at price points ranging from $15 to $60 per bottle, with premium lines exceeding $100 per product. The active polishing compounds in these products are aluminum oxide, silicon carbide, or diminishing abrasive formulations, particles that break down into smaller sizes as they work, transitioning from cutting to polishing action in a single product. These are refined, sophisticated formulations that offer genuine advantages for professional use: better control over the cutting action, more consistent results across different paint hardnesses, and compatibility with machine polisher applications that generate heat and require specific lubricant formulations. For professional detailers and serious hobbyists working with machine polishers on multiple vehicles, dedicated compounds are the appropriate tool. The advantages are real, and the price is justified by the application. For the average car owner who wants to restore foggy headlights, remove light swirl marks before a special occasion, polish chrome trim, or clean water spots from glass, the $2 toothpaste in the bathroom cabinet produces 80 to 90% of the result of the $20 product in the auto parts store. Toothpaste cannot be positioned and marketed as an automotive polishing product because it is a dental product regulated as a cosmetic by the FDA. No toothpaste manufacturer is going to label their product for automotive use. No automotive company is going to reference toothpaste as an alternative to their product line. The information exists in automotive forums among professional detailers who learn these shortcuts through experience and in the chemistry literature, but it has no commercial sponsor and therefore no shelf presence. The gap between the chemistry and the consumer is maintained not by suppression, but by the simple absence of anyone with a financial interest in closing it. Here is the practical summary. For headlight restoration, toothpaste on a damp cloth, circular motions, 10 to 15 minutes, follow with UV sealant. Results 80 to 90% of a $50 professional service for light to moderate oxidation. Material cost under $1. For paint swirl marks and light scratches, toothpaste on a clean microfiber cloth, circular motions with moderate pressure, 30 seconds to 1 minute per area, effective on fine surface defects in the clear coat, not effective on deep scratches that penetrate the clear coat. For chrome, polished aluminum, and stainless, same technique as paint, produces mirror finish from oxidized or lightly scratched surfaces. For water spots on glass, toothpaste on a damp cloth removes mineral deposits through combined acid dissolution and mechanical abrasion, particularly effective on interior windshield film. For all applications, use white, non-gel, non-whitening toothpaste. Gel formulations have lower abrasive content and are less effective. Whitening formulations may contain larger or harder abrasive particles that can scratch softer surfaces. Standard white paste is the correct formulation. The detailing shop charges $50 to $150 per hour for work that toothpaste, and 20 minutes accomplishes on light surface defects. The car does not know the difference between a professional compound and a bathroom product with matching abrasive particle size. It responds to controlled abrasion. Toothpaste delivers it. If this changed how you think about the foggy headlights you have been meaning to get restored, hit the like button. Share it with someone who just got quoted $80 for headlight restoration at a detail shop.